I'm on my way to the gym, but there's a gorgeous girl in front of me, walking by herself, eating a banana. How hot is that? So I'm definitely going to approach her. 1 second. This is kind of random. No English. I saw you and muy beautiful.
Oh,
Bonita.
thank you.
I wanted to say hi. And you're eating a banana. That's hilarious. Yo tengo que ir al gimnasio. Pero, ¿tú vives aquí? Ah, me too. ¿Tienes WhatsApp or Instagram?
No, sorry, Instagram.
You have boyfriend?
No.
Mucho, I bet. Like 10. Maybe. Más o menos.
Instagram.
Okay, here. Instagram. I will help you English. You me Spanish. All right. Ciao. Now you might be wondering why that was so fast. I didn't ask any questions about her except the fact that she lives here, because that's important to know since this is a very touristy city, Playa del Carmen. Then I didn't ask any other questions because it seemed like she was in a hurry. She started to slowly walk away, and the fact that she didn't speak any English, an indicator to just keep it short and sweet. However, I still went for contact information because you never know. I've had interactions like this. They're not running away right away, but they don't seem that interested. Like she wouldn't even give me her WhatsApp. That's definitely a sign of low interest. However, through Instagram, when she sees my stories, sees that I'm living an interesting life, I'm going out with groups of girls and just cool people, sometimes even celebrities. Over time, there's still a good chance that she'll want to meet up at some point. She might comment on one of my posts or stories. She might pop up on my feed and then I write back. There's a lower chance that we're gonna go on a one-on-one date anytime soon, but you don't wanna just think short term. You also wanna think long term. You want to be planting seeds. Be a hunter, but also be a farmer. It's a double strategy that works really well. If you want my help, just send me a DM and I'm glad to help you out too.